Hello.
Hi. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dreams job?
I want to be scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspaper?
Sometimes, I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Turkey and China. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do no weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching two comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana. What's your favorite fruit?
I love watermelon.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my families.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like learning new things.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What is your YouTube channel name? My YouTube channel name KPK English.
Hi everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing content. Stay tuned and join the journey.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for exciting and engaging content. Your support means the world. Don't miss out.